To replace the armrest assembly, first remove the side panel by grasping at the top and pulling towards you. Next, remove the bolt near the top of the controller. It is easily removed by unscrewing it by hand. Once the bolt is removed, the bracket will slide out. Now you will remove the 2 bolts on the side of the arm. Next, slide the controller off the arm and the armrest and arm assembly will slide out of the chair. Insert the new armrest assembly, slide the controller back on, replace the bolts on the side of the arm, secure the wire, and replace the bracket and bolt near the top of the controller. If you are replacing the arm assembly on the side that does not have the controller, the steps are the same. The final step is to snap the arm cover back in place.